I'm Christian from airplantshop.com. In today's air plant feature video, we're discussing Tillandsia bulbosa. We sell Tillandsia bulbosa in two different forms, the Guatemalan form, which I have in my hands here, and a larger form called Bulbosa Belize. Tillandsia bulbosa is considered a Mesic Tillandsia. What this means is we often find it in lowland tropical climates, growing near rivers and streams below 1,000 feet above sea level. This is a little bit different than a lot of the other Tillandsias that we sell that are from higher elevations, and you'll see that they're covered in a thick white layer of trichomes. So bulbosa will tend to be more brightly colored glossy green versus fuzzy like they're covered in cotton. Although I don't have a good blooming example today, bulbosa produce exceptionally gorgeous blooms. They attract all sorts of pollinators like hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies. We often sell Tillandsia bulbosa with the other species that have a bulbous base, and that includes Bailey, Caput medusa, and Bootsy. They all have a similar shape with a ball at the bottom and wild curly leaves. Check out our website, airplantshop.com, for our full availability and to buy your very own Tillandsia bulbosa.